Here we have another question of LCM and HCF. This question is from June 2015, paper 1, question 13. According to this question, the first part is express 60 as a product of its prime factors. So let's find the factors of 60. As it is an even number, so we will start with 2, 2 3 times 6 and 0, 2 1 times 2 and 2 5 times 10. Then 15 cannot come in a table of 2 because it's an odd number. So we will check in a table of 3. So 3 5 times 15 and 5 1 times 5. So it means the factors of 60 are 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Or we can write 2 square into 3 into 5. 2 square into 3 into 5. Now, find the smallest possible integer m such that 60m is a square number. I have explained this type of question before also. I'll share the link of the last video here in the description box, so you can check that part once again here. Okay. Now, find the smallest possible integer m such that 60m is a square number. Okay. So if we write the factors of 60, we will multiply 60 by one of the number m. So if we write the factors of 60, here we have 2 square into 3 into 5. Now here we can say that 2 is already having a square. Okay. We will make a square as 3 and 5. So to make 3 is a square number, we will multiply it by 3. Okay. And similarly, to make 5 is a square number, we will multiply it by 5. Now, we can say that 2 is already having a square. So this 3 multiplied by this 3 will be 3 square. And similarly, this 5 multiplied by this new 5 will become 5 square. So now each factor of 60 is become a square now. So 2 square, 3 square and 5 square. So it means that 60 will become a square number then. So what we have added here we can say that these are the factors of 60, and what we have added here, we have added 3 into 5. Now if we write factors, this is equal to 60 multiplied by what we have added, 3 times 5 is 15. So it means if we multiply 60 by 15, it will become a square number. So the value of m is 15. Now the last part of this question is the lowest common multiple. The lowest common number that is a multiple of both 60 and the integer n is 180. Okay. Find the smallest possible value of n. As we are already having a factors of 60, first we will find the factors of 180. So if we find the factors of 180, start with 2, 2 9 times 18 0, 2 4 times 8, 2 5 times 10, 2 2 times 4. Okay, we cannot divide it by 2 because 45 is odd number. Okay, so we will check in a table of 3 then. So 3 times 1 is 3 and 3 times 5 is 15. Then 3 times 5 is 15 and 5 times 1 is 5. So now here they are saying we have two numbers 60 and n. So if we find the lowest common multiple or LCM of these two numbers, the LCM is 180. Okay. Now if we write the factors of 60 as 2 square into 3 into 5, okay, and we have another number n, and if we find the LCM of these two numbers, it's equal to 2 square into 3 square into 5 because it's equal to 180. Okay, the factors of 180 are 2 square into 3 square into 5. Okay, so here we have written the factors of 180 as a LCM. Now if we do the comparison of this LCM and the factors of 60, see 2 square is already present in LCM. So we can say that 2 square has come from 60. Similarly, 5 is also present in LCM, so we can say that 5 is also come from 60. Now what is not present? Here we have 3 square in LCM, and in a 60 we are having only 3 raised to the power 1. So it means the other number must be having 3 square. So if I write here, for example, 3 square and find the LCM of this 60 and n. So see, are we getting this answer? Let's check this. We are having 2 square, so 2 square has come from here, from 60. Okay, here we have 2 square. Then 3 square has come from this n. Okay, here we are having 3 square, and this is only 3 raised to the power n, so the maximum power we will take as 3 square. And then here we have 5, so 5 has come in LCM. So it means that the smallest possible value of n can be 3 square. It can be, here we can have 5, we can have 2 as well, or 2 square as well, but here as they are asking to find the smallest possible value of n, so in that case we will take only 3 square here. Okay, if they ask us to find the largest possible value of n, then in n we will take 3 square, 2 square and 5 also. Okay, so if we write 2 square into 3 square into 2 square into 5 here, then also the LCM of these two numbers will be same, this 2 square into 3 square into 5. But as they are saying to find the smallest possible value of n, so in that case here we will take only 3 square. Okay, so the value of n is 3 square, or we can say it's 9. Okay, I hope you have understood this question. Thank you.